Come join me in learning how to make annatto oil. Check out the ingredients and the things you'll need. In a medium-sized saucepan or pot, pour the extra virgin olive oil. Then add the annatto seeds. Over medium heat, allow simmering while stirring them occasionally for 4 to 6 minutes or until the seeds release their color and the oil turns orange red. When the color of the oil fully turns orange red, remove it from the stove and allow it to completely cool down for 1 to 2 hours. Using a funnel and a strainer, transfer the annatto oil in a mason jar. Discard the used annatto seeds. Here is my annatto oil. You can now use it for future dishes that call for it. Enjoy!